Nice and relaxed. There we go. Same thing on this side. Perfect. Alright. Hey, no more volleyball, huh?
No, but I want to play club at school because I miss it.
Alright, ready? Nice and relaxed. There it goes. Good. Alright. Perfect. And last one here. Oh. Ah, nice. One more. There we go. There you go. One more. One more. There we go. Ooh, that is definitely stiff on this side. Let's go to that side. One more, right? There we go. Same face this way. It's already moving.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Oh, hold on, one more maybe, right? There we go. Good. Good. Perfect. Over. There we go. Good. Let's go on to this side. All the way towards me, all the way towards the edge. There we go. Perfect.
Oh, that was tight.
Kind of the neck area here. We call it circle thoracic. And there we go. And same thing on this side. Nice. Let's go this way. There we go. Nice and easy. Same thing on this side. Alright. Ooh, one more. There we go. Perfect. Oh, there's tons of amazing trails. Oh yeah, I love them. Alright, I'm gonna roll you all the way towards me. There we go. Oh. And last one on this side. Oh, perfect. There we go. One more. Oh, last one. Oh, that was beautiful. All right. There we go. Let's sneak right in here. One more. Last one. There we go. There we go. So you feel that right there? Just gonna just a little bit. All right. Let's see what else we got here. And this one's gonna be a little.
Oh.
There we go. Take a deep breath in. There we go. Now bring this whole head to the side like that. There we go. Very relaxed. Perfect. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Awesome. There we go. Oh yeah. So I'm going right in here. And same thing to the other side. Woo. Go right. There we go. And same thing on this side. Do me a favor, lift up your head just a little bit.
Yes, my shirt.
Yeah, it's your shirt. There we go, perfect. There we go, and you can. There we go. Nice and easy. All right, I'm going to give a little baby tug here. So far, so good. All right, let's give a nice good pull here. 1, 2, and there.
Oh. Oh.
Lift up your head for a second. There we go.
Oh. Oh, that's a good one.
Let's see here, this one here. I'll get back to you, I promise.
I'm here, relax.
There we go.
Oh. I felt that one on the other side of my neck.
Alright. Let's go right in here. Nice and easy. So that's exactly what we want to see. Alright, let's sneak right in here. Perfect. And same thing on this side. Awesome. Alright, my friend, grab onto the. Take your breath in. All the way up. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice and easy. There we go. Same thing. There we go. There we go. That's much better than the other side. Depends which section we want to go after. Gives us the ability to choose that. There we go. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Let's go to the other side. Drop. There we go. Go ahead. Lift up your head. Okay. There we go. And go ahead, put it down. All right. We're gonna do kind of a baby one first. Let's see how this feels. So far, so good?
Yeah.
All right, on 3, I'm gonna give a nice little pull here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Oh. Oh.